Lesson 5. The Judiciary. Supreme Court of India, which headquarters is situated in Delhi. Judiciary. Judiciary is that organ of the government which settle dispute through interpretation of law. Judiciary is necessary to protect the liberty of individual. Why judiciary important? Judiciary is important through settling of dispute, judicial review, protection of fundamental right, advisory jurisdiction, and establishing the rule of law. Independence of judiciary. Independence of judiciary means that the other organ of the government must not restrain the functioning of the judiciary in such a way that it is unable to do justice. Other organ of the government should not interfere with any decision. A judge must be able to perform their function without fear or favor. The success of a working democracy is dependent upon an independent judiciary. Judiciary system in India. District Court, Supreme Court and High Court. Every district have the District Court and Supreme Court which headquartered at Delhi, and every state have the High Court. Role of the judiciary in safeguarding the constitution. Founding fathers, judiciary is the basis of right and justice. Supreme Court has delivered judgment of immense importance in determination of public policy, establishing rule of law and constitutionalism. Independent judiciary, power of judicial review. Judiciary can test the validity of law and executive action and constitutional amendment. Power to enforce FR. Types of court in India. There are three types of court in India: Supreme Court, High Court and District Court. Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat set up for giving fast decision and saving money. PIL is a weapon for the poor. Public interest litigation was set up in 1980 by Supreme Court for ensure justice for poor people. Procedure of to file a PIL. In High Court, 2 copies of the petition have to be filed. In Supreme Court, 5 sets of petition have to be filed. Importance of public interest litigation. It gives a wider description to the right to equality, life and the personality, which is granted under Part 3 of the Constitution of India. It has introduced some kind of relief or remedy under the writ jurisdiction. It also functions as an effective instrument for change the society or social welfare. Difference between civil law and criminal law. Civil law, property, debt, etc. Criminal law, serious crime, guilty, etc. Difference between civil and criminal cases. Cases concerned with private rights are called civil cases. Cases against community are called criminal cases. Breach of contract, matrimonial cases, it is an example of civil cases, and murder, robbery, criminal conspiracy are example of criminal cases. Remedy of in civil cases in the form of compensation and the remedy in criminal cases in term of awarding punishment. That's all. Thank you.